W sound. Now, when we pronounce W, we have to make a tight circle with our lips like this, and then make a bigger circle, W, W, W. You can practice the W sound with words like we, or worry, or weather. You can say, we are very worried about the weather. Now you want to be very careful because some students will easily make a V sound by touching their lip to their teeth. V, and instead of saying, we are going to the movies, they say, we are going to the movies. No, 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 no. We. Make sure you're making those round shapes with your lips. We are going to the movies. All right, let's check out this video for more practice.
Looks like the gears are turning again. Ladies and gentlemen, turn up the volume. It's time for an English meeting. The W sound. Wah. It's a worldwide problem. People unaware they are mispronouncing the W sound. Okay, so this sound is all about the lips. There's no tongue you have to worry about, no teeth. So your tongue, teeth, all of that, don't worry about it. Only dealing with the lips. Making a tight circle with your lips. Must be tight, must be a circle. Don't be embarrassed about practicing this. Wah. Wah. Okay, mistakes in general that some people make depending on region, meaning where you are in the world, and language, native language. First word, we. Sometimes the mistake is the, like if I exaggerate it, the. Oftentimes it's a subtle touch of this lip to the teeth, V. We are going with you. We like what you made for us. No, we like what you made for us. Next word, wet, wet, wet. My shirt is wet. But how do I do? My shirt is wet. Wet, my shirt is wet. White, the color. White. I like the color white. Oh, the snow is so beautiful and white. The snow is so beautiful and white. White. West. West. I live in the west. I live in the west. Take Highway 10 west, you will see the ocean. Take Highway 10 west, and you will see the ocean. Way. You're going the wrong way. Don't go that way. No. Don't go that way. A little different pronunciation problems. Would. Would you like to come with us? Would you like to come? Would you like to come? Look, my mouth is not moving. That's wrong. Would you like to come? Would you like to come? Would you like to come? Want. I want that. I want that. I really want. No, my mouth isn't moving enough. I want that. I want that. Was. I was going to come. I was going to come with you. I was going to come, not us. Have to move these lips. Was. I was going to come with you. I was going to come with you. Why did you leave? Okay. Work. Common word. Work. I have to work on these. I'm so sorry. I have to work on these. No. There's no irk. There's no irk. Work. All you got to do is round the lips. Make it happen. Work. I have to work on this. Wash. Another common word. Wash. I have to wash my clothes. What? What? What did you say? I have to wash my clothes. Oh. You have to wash your clothes, not wash. I have to wash. I wash and wash and wash. My life is all about wash. No. My life is all about washing my clothes. I don't know where I got that. Okay. Wait. Please wait for me. Please wait for me. No. Please wait for me. Yes. Away. Away. I have to go away. I have to go away. The mouth position is wrong. I have to go away. I have to go away. Well, there you go.
To continue working on your English pronunciation, be sure to check out our other pronunciation podcasts on the ELSS website. You can find this at ln.edu.hk/Ceal/ELSS. You can also register for one of our pronunciation workshops in our Speaking Assistance program called the SAP, and you can register for that online with Moodle. If you'd like more tips from Dave Skanda, you can visit his website at englishmeeting.com. Thanks for watching!